Hey guys, I'm in my son's room and I wanted to go ahead and show you his television, and I wanted to show you a way to be able to hide your wires. Okay, so as you can see, he's got one wire that's coming here and one wire that's going there, and it just looks awful. I mean, you can tell that the wires are sticking out. I don't like it. It almost looks like the TV is tied to the wall, which we know it is, but I don't like wires showing. So I found an item called Echo Gear, and I want to show you what it looks like in our living room. Hold on. Okay, so this is our living room, and as you can tell, there are no wires down at the bottom, right? Now, reason being is because we actually found what you call Echo Gear. And so as you can see, that little round thing right there, this company, which is fantastic, will actually send you the drill bit to be able to drill your hole into your wall, where this little piece actually just slips into that hole. And then there's one on the very, very bottom as well, that you can go ahead and place at the bottom of the wall. So basically what happens is the wires will go ahead and go in that hole, go through the wall, and then come out where you can go ahead and just plug them into your plug. So I just wanted to go ahead and show this to you because by far when the television is pushed back, you don't see, let's see if I can push it back. You don't see any wires whatsoever. Okay, nothing. So if you're looking for something to go ahead and actually hide those wires, and you're not wanting to see it, you want it to look like this was professionally done, you can do it yourself. Just go ahead and get you one of those Echo Gears, and yeah, you can go ahead and put it in yourself. The company actually will send you the drill bit and all the pieces that are necessary for you to be able to go ahead and do it.